So before we actually get into the video, I just want to show my PC a little bit because I didn't have it since my last upload. My last upload was, I believe, like a year and a half ago, and I built this PC maybe 10 months ago. It was like February of 2020, I believe. So I'm just gonna show. See, I've overclocked this, and it runs pretty hot sometimes. I've seen it going up to 100 degrees Celsius before. So I'm gonna show all my icons, everything I have on the desktop. I'm just gonna kind of show all of it. I'm gonna list the specs on the right. I know it might not look very good on camera. So before we actually get into the video, I just want to say that you're probably not going to hear any of the sounds that are coming from the malwares, because when I use my PC, I only use headphones, so you might not actually hear anything. Now, run all of these. It is some pretty good malware. Why is there a black screen? And why is there all this Chinese text? Okay, I'm not sure why, but Wipe did a pretty good job on this. Okay. I don't know why this is in Chinese. I'm not sure if you can see this text or not, but I can, and it's in Chinese, and Firefox is just installing updates. The cursor is not actually being affected at all.
The cursor movement is caused by Memz. I am not moving my mouse at all.
And right here I'm holding my mouse. What's this? Oh yeah, the Memz Trojan is just opening things, but that's basically powerless because I'm not sure if Clutt.exe and Quantizer are working together, or if one is on top of the other. I'm not quite sure. Quantizer is really having its effect. Oh, there you can see the drawing icons. Oh, there, that's the Clutt.exe. Oh, yeah, Clutt.exe is also playing the red flag. Like, that's referred to as the 666.exe playable, okay, now it seems like that right here they all seem to have their effects, because you can see these bouncing. Not sure if you can see them. I think you can see them, like those. Memz Trojan it's drawing icons on my cursor, and then Quantizer is just doing everything. This is neat. It's pretty nice. Just look at this. And it looks like my PC just reset on its own. Okay, it's running back on. Okay, just restarted. Not sure which one caused it to restart. Doesn't really matter. What? How did this? I swear I'm using the actual. I swear I'm using the real malwares. I swear I'm not using like some fake ones or something. Let's see. I've never seen this happen before. I've never seen defenders like pitching in and helping them. Like let's look at monoxide. See if we could use monoxide and just close all of this. Okay, let's make sure to turn off real. I've never seen this happen before. Okay, so let's just run monoxide. And let's see if anything happens this time. This is interesting. Wait for from last time. Oh yeah, the monoxide's just putting all these fake cursors everywhere. Not sure if you actually see those cursors though. Looks like random things are happening. And it looks like completely random things are opening. Here's a quick look at my setup and everything. And there's my PC again. Now it looks like it's seriously starting to take its effect. Look at the search bar. You could probably hear the noises by Monoxide. I don't think you could hear the other sounds. You hear the error sounds by Memz, but it's like it's very quiet, and Monoxide's really like blocking those off. And my PC just reset again. I don't think it actually reset, it just shut down. Let's see. If it's fine, then okay. Now I'm just gonna. Okay. I don't know what's happening, but I'm gonna run all three of these while I'm deleting System32. Okay. Looks like the icons are in different places. Not sure if that was actually caused by the malware or not. Not sure if it was. The malware's over here. Hold on. Wait, man, my mystery. And this was also disabled. The recycle bin is corrupted. I'll just try going to Explorer and just some things. I'll see actually. Once I play System 32 through Explorer. I'll just System 32 and here. So it looks like the first time I ran these malwares, they had almost no effect, but the second time it looks like they did a few things, and they blocked command prompt, and I mean, they surely did a few things. Okay, looks like these are in the recycle bin, and now I'm gonna. It says that the recycle bin. It says the recycle bin is corrupted. Do we want to empty it? And yes. It looks like empty. I was trying to. It was just not deleting. I'll just wait till it all empties out. create my own one. Haven't really played this game. Let's check if everything got deleted. It's not. It's probably broken by now at this point. Looks like those malwares couldn't do anything, but looks like just doing this to things here. Let's see if anything could launch. Looks like Explorer's working, and let's see if like settings gonna work. Yes, settings worked. And let's look at the recycling. Okay, the recycle. Yeah, I forgot the recycle bin was just emptied. See if like programs work. Okay, looks like things are working. But if I restart, I don't think it's gonna work at all. Okay, I'll just press the power button to restart it. So now it's 10:30 in the morning, and I have not turned my PC at all since I deleted System 32 last night. So let's turn on and see if it powers on it. Let's see if it actually loads into Windows, or if it just if there's like a screen that pops up saying it's not working. Looks like everything's working perfectly fine. And it looks like it's not letting me type in my PIN. Okay, it looks like my PIN does not work. So I'll just enter in my Microsoft password. I'll see if I can sign in with my Microsoft password. Sign in options. Reset password. I'll just see if I can go into recovery mode. And it looks like it's pretty useless because this is all there is. And that was useless. So it looks like there's not really anything I can do about this. So that wraps it all up. I'll make a video if this video gets maybe 25 likes, or if this video gets enough likes, then maybe I'll make a video where I try to repair this. And so I think that's pretty much all there is to say. Goodbye.